How's it going, everybody? FX Street coming to you with an updated video on Litecoin. Before we get into this thesis, please just make sure you guys know, check us out on Twitter at FXS Crypto and our YouTube at FXS Street. Guys, I'm going to go over Litecoin, just basically how to approach this. Don't really want to call this a bearish thesis or a bullish thesis. If you've been following for a while, you know I have some seriously bearish targets for Litecoin, but that doesn't mean a counter trend rally will not happen. Okay. So this is just how to approach the Litecoin chart. If you want to trade it, I will not be trading Litecoin. I'm not going to spend my time trading Litecoin in the coming weeks, but this is kind of how to trade most of the charts right now. As you can see, I still think Litecoin needs lower targets. I think we've had a large, Litecoin rally already. Okay, the entire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we're going to see a deep 2 in the future. Now, if I zoom in, though, and I understand that Bitcoin might be soon making a move back up, I have to consider where the counter trend move will, what kind of counter trend move could happen. This, excuse me, over here, get rid of all of this. I do want that. Now, it does look, guys, like Bitcoin's ready to make a move. Everything is kind of dependent on Bitcoin dominance, though. So this has been a very tricky season because Bitcoin dominance has been in charge. We've seen all of the altcoins lose value while Bitcoin literally stayed still. It literally just stayed still, and all of the cryptocurrencies crashed. Now, I think what we have just seen is this. There, this was wave 1. This was some sort of complex wave 2 that broke through wave 1. This is wave 3, wave 4, and possibly wave 5 is over. Okay. I think wave 1 is here. Okay. So this is my triangle wave 4. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, the 3 and the 4 can be in the same place, or we're going to see some kind of chart pattern here as the last wave down. Maybe 2 more candlesticks to head south. We get 2 more candlesticks to head south. You know, that's all you need to end this wave 5. You know, this is it of the 5. To end the 5 of the 5, you literally only need this. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that it can't just continue extending. So what I'm looking for is to see a countable chart on the daily, which I don't see yet. So we need to let this play out longer. And then what I want to see is a breach of the wave 4. I want to see this thing get up here. Okay. I want to see this get up. Okay. Wave 4 is my wave 4 is here. So I want to see wave 4 get breached. This chart right here. Okay. And then I would like to see the pullback. I'd like to see the pullback. You want to make it look fancy. And then I could say, all right, guys, you know, the market's looking good, and this is clean for a rise, okay? And if this would be the low, then the trade setup would be something like this. And the trade setup would be something like this. You keep it under the lows, okay? And, you know, we are good to go. Good to go. Okay? We should definitely get back up there. Bitcoin's going to make one more new high. But as of yet, I couldn't justify and tell you, yeah, this is going bullish. And because this is wave 5, I'm not going to tell you to short this chart. Now, if you want to be an early buyer, then maybe what you want to do is participate in the first wave 1. okay? And who knows if it's going to get this high. I did have this target in mind before, but maybe it gets this high. But then you want to participate in the wave one. If you want to be an early buyer, maybe it comes down once more, retest takes out the smell. On the first impulse up, what you want to do is buy the breakout, okay? It's going to break out above this previous wave 4 at 52 cents, come back up, retrace, should not, we could even go deep. When you see the bullish candlesticks with the volume coming back in, and they're just kind of stair stepping. If you see something like that, you want to be early. I can understand, and what you do is you place your stop loss under wherever the last low is printed. If it's going to be here, the wave 5 ends here. It just depends. So right now, this is too early to call, but I'm just giving you guys a scenario of what I think will happen. So this is your updated video on Litecoin. Please forgive me for the audio quality, guys. We got the mic and the interface with us now. Just traveling, it took some travel to go and get it, and now it's going to take a little bit of time to set up a base where I am currently living at. So just give me a little bit of time on that. Appreciate all the feedback and support. You know, we don't get every trade set up right, so I saw some guys not happy about 1 or 2 trades. This is based on probabilities and based on, you know, risk to reward. We're not really here to put our entire bag in one asset. We're here to, you know, take a part in moving markets. Okay, everyone's going to take a loss. Don't let the losses eat you. Try to stay in the game. Try to survive through the losses. One good win can seriously have a big effect on your portfolio, even with the good, nice, tight risk. So at the end of the day, we just got to be patient and, you know, wait for some good moves to come back into this market, which is what I'm hoping to see for Bitcoin in the near future and the cryptos to follow. With that being said, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Twitter account and to the YouTube at FX Street, and I'll see you guys on the next one.